My name is Maud Pelletier. I'm the founder of Balko Technology. We are located in Quebec City. I'm from Canada. We are launching today, this week at Geo Week, a new product. It's a new concept LiDAR. It's a modular LiDAR. So you can swap the different component of a LiDAR, so the laser, the initial platform, and we have multiple configuration for camera, such for multispectral, RGB, and thermal. This concept of modularity for LiDAR, it's the first one in the world right now. Okay, so it is the first LiDAR that you really can swap according to your daily work, according to your needs, so like in terms of accuracy, in terms of resolution. So you can swap the laser, swap the initial platform, and it is the first of its kind. So it's really unique, and it is an amazing, incredible product. So here at Geo Week, we are looking at different potential users that use it as a data acquisition, geospatial data acquisition, and also all different geomatic processing. And then we talk about we talk to surveyors, to geomatic, to engineer, mining company, petrol. So it's really wide actually. Like the people that can use it, it's really LiDAR data is for it's the base. It's XYZ information that so many company needs it. So we're really happy to be here at Geo Week because it's a lot of people that we can connect, make some new partners. We are seeing customers and providers. So it has been really great. If you want to know more, yeah, please visit our website. It's balkotechnology.com. You can also contact us. It will be a pleasure to send you more information, even data sets, so you can compare.